National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, west central Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:42 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Shakota, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Shakota, Warner, Gore, Quorum, Webbers Falls, Oaktown HA, Braggs, Tama HA, Rentiesville, Briartown, Greenleaf State Park, Chieftain, Anapa. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 255 and 294. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 12:40.